Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Sunny and today we are diving into the world of AI-powered video editing. If you are a content creator, a marketer or loves making videos, this one's for you. So let's get right into it. To begin with, I want to introduce Adobe Premiere Pro, the once a heavy hitter in the video editing world. And with the good reasons. Adobe Sensei AI technology is integrated into Premiere Pro, making tasks like color corrections, audio cleanup, and even skin editing a breeze. Just imagine you are editing a video and the AI helps you match color across different clips to ensure consistency, or it automatically removes background noises from your audio. Premiere Pro is perfect for professionals who need a robust tool with advanced features. Next, we have Final Cut Pro. The favorite among Mac users, Apple's machine learning algorithms are hard at work here. Final Cut Pro's AI can analyze your footage, identify skins, and even recommend edits. It's like having a virtual assistant for your video project. One cool feature is the Smart Conform tool, which automatically adjusts your clips to fit different aspect ratios. This is super handy for repurposing content across platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Moving on and take a look at the Filmora by Wondershare. Filmora is fantastic for those who want a balance between simplicity and powerful features. Its AI-driven tools include motion tracking, skin detections, and even a find skin, features that helps you locate specific parts of your video quickly. Filmora is great for beginners and intermediate users. The interface is user-friendly and the AI tools can significantly speed up your editing process. Plus, it's more affordable compared to some of the more professional options. Fourth on our list is the Beny Resolve by Blackmagic Design. Known for its powerful color correction tools, the Beny Resolve has integrated AI that enhances its editing capabilities. The neural engine uses deep learning to enhance features like facial recognition, object removal, and superscaling. For instance, the facial recognition tool can quickly organize clips based on the people in them, which is super useful for a project with a lot of footage. The object removal feature is also pretty magical. It can remove unwanted elements from your shoots seamlessly. Last but not least, we have LumenFive. This one's a bit different from the rest. LumenFive is an AI-powered video creation platform that's perfect for creating engaging social media content. You can input a blog post or a script, and LumenFive AI will transform it into a video with relevant visuals and animations. It is ideal for marketers and businesses looking to churn out videos quickly without sacrificing quality. The AI handles most of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects. And there you have it, the top 5 AI video editing software tools that can take your video projects to the next level. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to SaaS Talk for more awesome content. Drop a comment below letting me know which software you're excited to try out. Until next time, happy editing.